This is group 5. We're elaborating the properties of EM waves. But before we start, let's recall first the history of EM waves. Heinrich Hertz is a theoretical physicist at college. He presented his experimental confirmation of Maxwell's equation in 1888 and prompted a conceptual shift among European theoretical physicists by proving that electromagnetic effects propagate at a finite speed.
In accordance with the history of EM waves are made up of magnetism that can only be sensed when there are moving charges created by electricity, whereas electricity are made up of the existence and mobility of charged particles. In short, a changing magnetic field can produce an electrical field.
Let's move to the properties of EM waves. First property. There are differences on how electromagnetic waves and mechanical waves travel. EM waves can move without a medium. That implies that they can move through a medium such as air or a wall, as well as a vacuum such as space. While mechanical waves disrupt the
EM wave is transverse wave. The medium or the channel moves perpendicular to the direction of the wave. Also, transverse wave is made up of magnetic and electric. This is the difference of longitudinal wave to transverse wave. Longitudinal wave. The medium moves in the same direction of the wave. It acts in one dimension. The wave cannot be polarized or aligned. This wave can be produced in any medium such as gas, liquid, or solid. The earthquake P wave is an example. It is made of refractions and compression. While transverse wave, the medium is moving perpendicular to the direction of the wave. It acts in two dimensions. The wave can be polarized or aligned. This wave can be produced in solid and liquid surface. Earthquake S waves is an example. It is made of troughs and crests. Therefore, transverse wave is the most applicable wave for
EM wave can travel through exactly at the same speed, the speed of light, 300 million meters.
It's kinda confusing, no? Don't worry. I assure you that if you study deeply about EM spectrum, you will not get confused anymore. Heinrich Hertz proves the propagation of EM wave at a finite speed. Also, his discovery tells us about magnetic field can produce an electric field and vice versa. There are 4 different of EM waves. First property, differences of mechanical wave and EM wave. Second property, EM wave is transverse wave. Third property, EM wave travel through vacuum and its speed of light is 300 million meters per second. Fourth property, 7 regions of EM wave called EM spectrum.
Wave property ay
About magnetic
longitudinal wave. The medium moves in the same direction of the wave. It acts in one dimension. The wave cannot be produced.
Heinrich Hertz is a theoretical physicist at college. He presented his
Now, let's move to the properties of EM waves. First property. There are the differences how
Third property, EM wave can travel through a vacuum. Travel exactly at the same speed, the speed of light, 300 million meters per second.